Check this out, guys. 2 days ago, I was able to make over $20 in affiliate commissions in one single day, and this is actually the first day I was testing this method out. See if it still works, because it's not a brand new method, but it's one of those methods that never get old and you can still make some money with it, because as you can see right here, yesterday I was able to make over $430 just by texting on Instagram. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make this amount of money just by texting on your phone for a couple of minutes every day, and actually how to get targeted traffic so you can skyrocket your chance of getting a sale very easily. And the best part about this method is it's going to cost you literally $0 to set up. Now you can replicate this method anywhere in the world with very little skills or experience. All you have to do is just make sure to watch this video from beginning to the end, follow exactly what I'm going to show you, and after that you can see your first results as soon as in the first couple of hours. So if you're looking forward to this, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and also down in the comment section below, do let me know if you prefer methods that are more mobile friendly or laptop friendly, so I know what type of methods to focus on in the future. And now just let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I want you to do is go to this website right here that's called digistore24.com. You may know this website from my other previous videos that you may have watched, but if you're a complete beginner to affiliate marketing and you're looking to get started, what you want to do is go to Digistore24 and sign up for your free account. First of all, you want to choose a public username that you want to go with. Make sure to fill in your email address and choose a very strong password, because you will be making money on this Digistore account and you want it to be protected. Then just go ahead and check in this field where it's going to say I am an affiliate and I will be promoting products of other vendors. Go through this privacy policy and B2B contract, agree to it, and click on continue. Then what you want to do is go ahead and fill in a bunch of this personal information regarding your person, like your first name, last name, your street address, country where you are from, and also make sure to fill in your phone number and then click on register now. Once you're going to do that, you want to sign into your account and just hop over to the affiliate marketplace. This is the place where you can actually get the offers and the links that you are going to be promoting, and every time somebody is going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission, as you can see right here. Now what you want to do for this method is go to this left toolbar and you want to scroll all the way down here into social media section, because I'm going to show you exactly which products to go for with this method to make the most amount of money for the least amount of work. So if you're going to scroll all the way down here, you will find these two products that are named TikTok Insiders and TikTok Trends. As you can see right here, these two products are regarding TikTok and how to actually grow on TikTok, build your account, get thousands or literally hundreds of thousands of followers, and these are at two very drastic different price points. The TikTok Trends right here is selling for around $39.22, but if you're going to check out this product right here that's called TikTok Insiders, that one is selling for almost $1,200. As you can see right here, your commission on this is going to be around 50% on both, and what you want to actually do to make most amount of money with this method is promote both of these products at the same time. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, but first what you want to do is go ahead and click on the promote now button. It's going to look something like this if you never promoted these products before, and you get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link for this product, what you want to do is go to Google and you want to search for WriteSonic. Just search for WriteSonic, and what you want to do is go to this exact website that's called WriteSonic.com. And again guys, I'm showing you how to access these websites from Google, because that way you can see the exact link that I'm accessing, so you can pretty much just write this URL directly into the search bar without having to go to Google, but I want you to see exactly the URL that I'm accessing. So what you want to do is go to WriteSonic, grab yourself a free account, and once you get your account, you want to log right into it. Once you log into your account, it's going to look something like this. You will have access to these high quality AI tools that will be generating content for you in just a couple of clicks for every social media platform out there, or you can just pretty much go ahead and create complete articles and blog posts just by a couple of clicks. For this method, what we are going to be using is AI Article Writer 5.0. So what you want to do is just go ahead and click on that, and you get to generate your article completely from scratch. First of all, go to this topic, and what you want to write in there is something like how to grow on TikTok, detailed step-by-step guide. Click on search articles, and WriteSonic is going to find the most relevant articles for you. And as you can see right here, you get to choose from one of these articles that your is going to be based on. So pretty much because I'm dealing with the issue of growing on TikTok in 2023, I'm just going to open this one up, for example, and see what it's about. And it's a very detailed, high quality article explaining how to grow on TikTok and how to actually get thousands of followers. So I'm just going to use this as a base for my content. Then I'm just going to click on this tick box, then just click on next. And all you have to do then is just go through these settings, and you need to make sure that your quality type is going to be set to premium and your language to English. If you want, you can also go ahead and add a bunch of SEO keywords in here if you are going to be using search engine optimization to share this article, but because I'm going to show you a direct way how to promote this to people, you can skip that part. Just for good measure, I'm going to type in there something like TikTok Trends 2023 Grow on TikTok, and then what I'm going to do is just click on Generate Article. As you can see right here, in just a couple of clicks, I was able to instruct Writesonic to generate a high quality article regarding the topic that I want for me. And as you can see right here, in just a couple of clicks, I was able to instruct Writesonic to generate this very high quality article complete with this image right here that's explaining in step-by-step instructions how to actually grow on TikTok in great detail. Pretty much what you want to do is leave Writesonic to generate this entire article for you, and once you're happy with the content and actually how this is going to look like, pretty much all you want to do is go to this button where it says share, and you want to download this as a PDF and save it to your computer. Once you do that, what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called Seida.com. This is like a very easy to navigate free PDF online editor that we are going to use with the PDF that we have just created. So pretty much what you want to do is click on edit PDF document, upload it to Seida, and what you want to do now is go ahead and scan this article for the relevant sections. Because we are going to be promoting these two products, one of them is called Talk Trends and one of them is called TikTok Insiders. First of all, go ahead and grab yourself an affiliate link to the Talk Trends product from Digistore24, just like that. Then go back to Seida and search for most relevant part that's going to be dealing with TikTok trends. As you can see right here in this article, I've got this very nice sentence that's called Keep Up with TikTok Trends, which is going to play very well with the name of this product. For that reason, what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit this paragraph into something like, to learn more about keeping up with the latest TikTok trends, check out this advanced course. Then what I'm going to do is highlight this entire sentence just like that, and then pretty much just click on this create a link button and embed it with your affiliate link. Just like that, and now this entire sentence is going to become a clickable button that's going to lead to the sales page through your affiliate link. Then what you want to do is go back to Digistore and you want to grab affiliate link for the TikTok Insiders, which is the high ticket product that's going to be making you the big bucks, and you want to grab the affiliate link as well. Then you want to find yet another article part that's going to be relevant to this time to the TikTok Insiders product, and for that reason I'm going to go through this, and as you can see right here, for example, let's go with this understand your audience, and what I'm going to do now is just add a paragraph in there as well that's going to say something like, to learn more insider tricks on how to blow up your TikTok account, check out this limited spot program. By adding this sense of urgency saying the spots are limited, people are that much more likely to click on it and make a purchase, and then pretty much just do the exact same thing. Highlight this entire sentence, embed it with your affiliate link, and that's pretty much it. Once you're going to do that, you can actually embed your affiliate links into more places in this article, but I'm going to show you how to do that with just these two, because you don't want to be too salesy. If it's going to be too pushing, too salesy, people are not going to be making those purchases, so that's why you just want to recommend the best product. You don't want to push it down their throats. Once you're going to customize this PDF just like that, you want to click on apply changes and download this edited PDF again by pressing this download button. You can also use the share button on Seida to share this PDF, but what I highly recommend is that you go to this website right here that's called docdroid.net. If you're going to use Docdroid, you can be 100% sure that your links inside the PDF are not going to be disabled, because Docdroid is the only website that I verified myself is not going to disable your links. So what you want to do is just go ahead and upload it to Docdroid, and you want to copy this link, then just simply head over to Instagram and pretty much go to the search bar, and what you want to search for is TikTok creators, and you want to go to one of these accounts about TikTok creators. I highly recommend that you go to this first one right here, because as you can see, it has over 400,000 followers, so you got pretty much that many potential buyers. All you have to do now is just click on this followers count, and it's going to display all the people that are following this account. Pretty much right now you want to start following these one by one, do it for a couple of minutes, then just open some of these up, and what you want to do is actually start messaging these people promoting your PDF on Docdroid. Just go to the chat box, and what you want to type in there is something like this. Pretty much a very simple message promoting your PDF document, saying you are going to help them grow their TikTok account based on this free PDF that you have provided. And once they are going to click on this link and open the PDF that you have created, they are going to start reading it because it's actually packed with useful information. And once they are going to get to this part where it says check out this advanced course, they can click on it and they will be taken to the sales page, which is going to take them through the sales process. And once they are going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Now pretty much all you need to do now is just drive the most amount of relevant traffic to this PDF document that you have created that may be interested in growing their TikTok account. And pretty much all you need to do is just share this, for example, via these direct messages on Instagram, or you can just go ahead and start posting it on different forums, different Facebook groups. You can even try using paid traffic to get people to this document if you've got some money to spare, and that way you can make anywhere between $15 up to $430 per day just by doing this. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Now if you did, just make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already, and if you're hungry for some more free money making content, click on one of these videos right here. Other than that, have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.